Oh, I got about Airbnb.
Yeah.
I remember. Kidding me! Bro! It's on dash. Oh my god!
Saw the light dancing through the leaves on the sidewalk, and you, for a moment, realized how simple that is and how it's beautiful. Think of the moments.
I've seen it before. What was there? Oh, that one right there? Yeah. I'll go over there. I don't like
That's the turn. That's the turn.
Oh! Christ, dog.
Holy guacamole. Okay, that one was not my fault.
That was what the hell is he doing?
Holy.
I mean, usually 5 things work, but like, sometimes just want a few extra more, you know? I like hold it, it goes straight to 100. Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my god.
Climbing.
Dude. Oh.
Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my god.
climbing.
Dude. Holy shit.
Because I could take breaks, or I could like.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the bag. Oh my god.
What?
That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no!
I'm gonna get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm gonna call the police right now.
Oh no. I'm done.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
I'm calling 911.
So, what are these buttons? buttons for. So comfy. Ah! I'm burning! Ah! Out! Oh no! No, no, no! Not me!
The sound is so powerful. And what's this? Yeah, this is fun. Yeah. Not my fault.
Time to try this beauty.
Huh? Simply the best. It's perfect.
Hee hee hee.
The engine is so powerful.
Oh, yummy. Oopsie.
The race is on.
What have you done? You ruined it. You'll have to pay for this car. Come with me. Cash your card. Good. Approved. Congrats on your purchase. You deserve it.
Western Expressway. That you're supposed to come up with. Yes, I don't understand why you talk so fucking much. Stop this!
Oh man, he does not seem very happy. Fake bank accounts and AI webcams help, but simply talking and refusing to listen makes it scary.
That's just cold hard truth. I still know a few back. Talk a little smack, but I'm feeling bulletproof. So no matter.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Oh my god.
What are you guys doing?
Are you recording?
Okay, Google. Or okay, Garmin.
Oh.
Record, say video. This is the idiot of the day.
We have like really low manning in the armed forces. Like low.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, here. You wanna the options?
Please.
We'll grab some fries.
Say pass.
Do you guys have
Oh, good thing we have a seatbelt.
somebody just pulled right out in front of me.
Oh no!
Dang. Okay, hang on, I'm saving that on my dash cam.
So, Chris, I just want to ask you about the range of these things you talk about and stuff. So, you talk about a lot of them, but so we're in Liberia, Colombian narco gangs, gangs in Chicago. There's things where you talk about the Spanish armada, attack on New Zealand. I guess one question we might have is, why do you think this is having more common, or even not more common, but why are these similar enough to be one subject rather than for very specific things that you might have to analyze using different tools?